Look, look. If you want to do something, just please do it in the right way. Don't waste people's time. Take off all this garbage. We're gonna grind all these stones. Guys, now we're gonna fasten this mesh using this, I don't know, nail, hammer, gun, fire.
Ram set.
Thank you, Ryan.
It's a ram set.
It's a ram set. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Remember, you have to put the nail first. And grab the bullet. Put it right here. This is a farmer chicken house wrap. Is that what they call it? You can find it in Tim Hortons. 20 bucks. And now after we're done, and we have to wait for a couple hours, this concrete is fast set. It's supposed to dry faster than the others. And we had to install these after.